Okay, this is a quick video. If you're having troubles with your, not your dog, but your RZR XP 900, or probably many others, with getting started. What I've done here is I've taken the shock off, and I've removed crankcase cover with the magneto, and there you go. You have your starter gear. This little idler cat here. Now, what's going on, I believe, is the one-way bearing is out. So I believe this is going to be the best way to see. Now that gear I just pulled off drives off this starter, as you can see. It turns. And then here, this here is a problem gear. This one explodes and loosens up on everybody. You've seen lots of videos out there about that. So when we pull this off, we're going to inspect that really well. But one way to check your one-way bearing for the starter that's behind here, without having to remove that, is pulling the cover. And once you pull this little idler off, grab this gear and spin it. And then spin it the other way. Well, that drives into the gear behind it, which is your one-way or clutch gear. See? See it back there spinning? And now I'm going the opposite way. That tells us that that gear is bad. So there you go. Thank you for watching.